DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Okay, I finally decided to make the right stuff, so to speak. So, I took some 1/8" bar stock, and I made this piece right here. Here's a blow up of it. So what this is, it's gonna get glued into the, this is the impeller side view. Okay, so it's gonna be glued in there. And then this part here will hit this, or actually this part here on the shaft. Like, here's the shaft. It has this thing sticking out. Forget that. So here's the actual shaft, this part here, with this little, right there, that thing sticking up. Forget that line. Okay, and that's going to hit against this. Apparently it hits both sides. You know, it hits this way and that way. Because the last thing I made it so it only had one surface here, but then it got stuck because it went the other way and got underneath of it. Anyway, I hope that's clear. 1/8" stock is perfect because that's how wide this is right here. A little bit narrower, but this should be substantial. I'm going to JB weld this in here, okay, and then it should work good. We'll find out. Okay, I think it turned out pretty well. So there it is, and you can see the tab is hitting that really well from both sides, and there's hardly any clearance, and there's hardly any gap here between the shaft and the little tab here. In fact, it even has a little resistance right there, but that's fine because that'll wear in. So there you go. Looking good. And the weld, the epoxy I used is JB Weld. JB Weld, that's amazing stuff. You gotta let it dry for about 24 hours, but it is really, really strong.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.